Hello, welcome to the Cooking Academy. My name is Kumud Gandhi and today I'm talking about coriander. It's one of the most commonly used ingredients in Asian food. And the biggest complaint we have here at the cookery school is that coriander doesn't seem to last very long. But I've always kind of kept my coriander in a foil pouch, and I want to show you how to do that. So here I have some coriander. I have washed it very lightly and I've dunked it in water, taken it out, and then I've just left it on clean paper towels and left it to dry at ambient temperature for, I'd say, a couple of hours or so. I've gone about my business and done some other work and things. Now I'm ready to put this away, and so what I've got a roll of foil paper here, and I'm going to literally measure what I think I'm going to need to create a little bag. So I've got, and I'm going to cut it based on what I need. So I'll go about there. All right, I'm going to now create a little pouch. So I'm just going to fold over the edges, and I'm going to fold it about 3 times because that's going to give it more tension. I'm going to do the same at this end. Okay, and so hey presto, I've got a little bag now, all right? And my coriander is just going to go straight into here. And into the fridge. So in it goes. Again, seal it down at this end too. This will go into the fridge and I will take it out as I need it. It's already washed, so I don't need to do anything except to cut it, chop it up. And this will last in the fridge for at least about 7 days or so. Make sure that it's not wringing wet. Make sure that it is touch dry so that it's not drying out, but it's not soggy. And the less wet it is, the longer shelf life you'll have with it. And I find that this is a really simple way of storing coriander and keeping it so that it doesn't go to waste. I hope this has been useful and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you've enjoyed it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay updated with all of our recipes, hints and tips. You can also visit our website at www.thecookingacademy.co.uk for classes, recipes and so much more.